Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to start image processing and computer vision related concepts and programming in Python. Okay, so in our previous year I have completed the series of digital image processing using MATLAB. Now the same concept we can do using Python. Python has lots of advantages, like first most important advantage over MATLAB that this is open source. Okay, we can easily do even without downloading it in your local PC or local machine. What you can do, you can use Google Colab like here I am using. Okay, so let's start our image processing journey in Python. Okay, so the library which we are going to use widely in this particular image processing discussion is OpenCV, which is widely used and very popular library for real-time computer vision and image processing related things. Okay, so to import that, just you need to write import cv2, and this will import our OpenCV. Okay, so it will take some time as this is the first code. If you are running in Google Colab, it will take some time. Okay, so it is done. Now what I will do, I will click on this and here I will upload one image for demonstration purpose. Okay, so here this image I will be taking source image and it will be uploaded. Okay, so here when uploading will be completed, here you can see that particular image, right? So see here source.png came, and here copy path option is there. I will copy this path because I want to read this image. So to read the image, img equal to imread. Okay, imread is the function to read the image read, same like MATLAB. Okay, then inside quotation give the complete path, right? If you want you can give semicolon, or if you're not interested then don't give, no problem. Now what, this is how we write in MATLAB, but here this is the function present in OpenCV library, right? So you have to write here cv2 dot. Okay, that's all, and here this will read this particular image. Okay, now reading is done. Then after reading, what we have to do, we have to see this image. Okay, so for that what we used in MATLAB, imshow. Okay, to show the image show function, right? Obviously I will pass my image imshow image. Now as this is again function of OpenCV library, so I will write cv2 dot imshow img. Okay, I am reading the image and showing that, right? So some error we are getting, let's check. From Google Colab page, a suggestion. Okay, right, so I will just take this one because this is required. So here I will write this from, so I have to use this particular function cv2 underscore imshow img. Okay, to display the image in Google Colab. Okay, it will take some time, and see it is showing our image perfectly. Okay, and if you are working in Jupyter Notebook, you can write this also cv2 dot imshow. As I have told you the logic also, imshow generally used to display the image how we do in MATLAB, and cv2 we are using just because this is function of OpenCV. Okay, now suppose I want to write this image, because many times what happens that you have done some, you have applied some algorithm, some pre-processing technique to enhance the quality of the image, and then you are saving that intermediate image for further processing. Okay, so for that the function is cv2 dot imwrite. And what is the name of the image file which you want to write? See here Google Colab is giving suggestion also, imwrite file name and then the variable where image is stored. Suppose I am giving the name my new image. Okay, dot jpg. I want to save in jpg format, and my image is actually stored in, you can see here, img variable. Okay, right? So I will run this, and here it goes. If you check the file, see here my new image .jpg it is showing. Okay, so here if I double click on this, here you can see in this side it is showing the same image. Okay, so this is what we understood till today's discussion, that is number one, OpenCVC library, which we are going to widely use in our computer vision and real-time image processing, okay, in Python. Then imread is the function to read the image. Then cv2.im shows to show the image, but if you are working in Colab, then you should use this one. Okay, then to write the image, first pass the name of the file using which you want to save, and then pass the image or variable where your image is stored. Okay, right? So I hope this fundamental you have understood. This is all for my this video. Thank you.